What can you say again? Ano? Sige, promote Oakley. Sige.
Ang Oakley po, meron po tayong ang Oakley po, meron po siyang tinatawag na polarized na sun eh. sun, hindi ko masyadong masisira pagka re-reflect sa kasi for example, you're driving on a highway, okay? And then meron kang makakasalubong na car, and then let's say galvanisado yung car, which is nakakasilaw. Pag ganito yung shades mo, hindi siya masakit sa mata, hindi nagbabangas. Of course, ito, pag tumingin ka sa araw, kahit anong mangyari, masakit pa rin siya. Kasi araw yun eh.
Of course.
But, hindi ka naman tanga, titingin ka sa araw. Diba? Papakita ko, sa itsura pa lang, don't look on the styles, okay? Because,
that's the fancy one.
This is the fancy looking, but if you put look in the sun, look in the sun.
Okay, let's
You
try.
see that? Okay, now, that's the Oakley. Now look at the regular.
That's the
Look at the
Oakley.
regular. See how ugly that is?
Wait! Oh, much better, much better.
This is not better. That is not better. It looks fucking shit.
No, it's not. And this is the Oakley again. Oakley. Let me see. Oakley ni Nana.
So,
And this is the what? What do you call it? The fancy one.
The funky
Oh,
one.
it's better. I like this one.
Eh, nawala na yung ulat na pinapanood ko. Buisit.
Anong feeling mo sa ulap? Drawing? Hindi nawawala? So that's the Oakley. I like that. I like
Okay, let's watch that. Gusto ko mapanood.